for giving me an opportunity to talk on Nandigram issue. Nandigram issue starts, as per everybody, it is on SEZ, Special Economic Zone and all, but a lot of economic zones are given permission. But why only in Nandigram? Before Nandigram, in West Bengal, a lot of eviction has occurred in and around Calcutta. Most of the evictees were Muslims. But when it is raised, everybody thought it is a communal angle. But later, now it is very clear, evidently clear that wherever the eviction took place in West Bengal, most of the affected people are, fortunately or unfortunately, it is Muslims. Nobody is looking into that matter. If it is told about Muslims, then it will come as communal angle. I fully endorse Mr. Madani's stand. Whenever we talk against Communist Party, then they will immediately resort to the Islamic extremism. Otherwise, when it is in the national or international arena, they will be always pretend that they are the saviors of Islam. But whenever a word is spoken against Communist Party, then the Islamic extremism and the minority extremism comes. This is also happening here also. That is why I was supposed to talk about that Yechuri's remarks, Comrade Yechuri's, because this we were not expecting from left parties, especially Communist Party. Because whenever the Indian Muslims are treated anywhere in India badly, Communists were the first to react. Take it in Gujarat or wherever it is. But when it came in West Bengal, this word our comrade Yechuri used, Islamic extremism. Nobody is telling about when something happens in Ireland, no Catholic extremism. Whenever something is happening in some other places, in Nepal, no Hindu extremism. But whenever anything happens in the world, in the name of in the Muslims, it is Islamic extremism comes. That's why I am not explaining more, because of Mr. Madani expressed my view also. And coming back to Nandigram, I had a chance to go to Nandigram after the March incident. I am not repeating the same narration Sushmaji or whoever it is done here. It is pathetic. And you take the census of that one. Wherever, whatever happened, whether it is Leh, Road or Appalachia, this one, displacement, 90% are Muslims. Nobody is mentioning that, but everybody is telling farmers, this and all. Of course, this Nandigram is a beautiful place. Whenever you go, on the scooter only we could go. First is a beautiful pond, and then this one fertile land. It is not fit for a Saling Group's chemical hub, that is for sure. Acharya ji, this one our Chief Minister of West Bengal, we adore him in sitting in Kerala and all, because he is a progressive Chief Minister. He readily agreed for scrapping this deal. Still, the problem is going on because our experience being in Kerala, we feel that it is not because of SEZ, it is only because of Marxist Communist Party took one decision. If somebody is against that, they will take it personally. Then the police is not there, the cadre is coming out. Because of this issue, this prestige, otherwise Nandigram is represented by CPI. It is not a CPM whole. CPM is taking their cadres and without taking the police protection and all, CPM is taking it to their as a personal issue. That we fear not this will happen in Kerala also, in Kannur. Kannur also CPM belt. So we, being in Kerala, we fear this Nandigram issue will come to Kerala also. That is why we condemn Muslim League member, we condemn this sort of attitude towards this one peasants, or especially the majority Muslims. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you for sticking to the time.